It is the 12th of July in 2022, and this is GTR Blustery Wind Storm. And he is an enthusiastic boy today. It's cool, and we had some rain last night, so everybody feels good. They want to get going. And I understand that, but we aren't going to do that. We are going to maintain our walk. Good grief. The flies are horrible. So I think we are going to make a trip back to the barn and get some more fly spray. Come around. Nope, you have to come all the way around. Good boy. Good grief. Yeah, I know you want to get out and get going, and we'll do that as soon as we get some fly spray. What a good boy. Brennan? Brennan? I need more fly spray. This poor guy is covered. Hang on, he says. Yeah, I know. I know. You're in terrible shape here. You can, if you're gonna dig, at least dig up the goat heads. Whoa. No, 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 no. I know. I know. Hustle. He's frantic.
Yeah, hang on, Buster.
Whoa, sweetie. I'm trying to get one off your butt. Get his belly right away. He is miserable. Whoa, sweetie. Talk to him.
Buddy, it's okay.
Whoa. You know how to stand and get sprayed. Whoa, son. Don't hold it real close to him. That's where you get big spots. Get his hind leg over here. Other side.
No.
All the way down his rump. Go up. There you go. Now get his sides and his chest. He says, oh, I'm liking this. And get his belly on that side. Does that feel a little better, Buster? He says this is a decided improvement. Walk on. Good boy. All right, it's that kind of a 2-year-old day. Let's trot. Working trot. Good boy. This is Buster's maiden voyage with his shoes on. And I know the flies are terrible. I was in the kitchen cooking this morning, and I had my very own private fly that was driving me insane. Come right, come right, good boy. Come left, come around, come around, come around, come around. We're not gonna make it if you don't. Good boy, come right. Oops, I turned you a little too soon. Well, we didn't tip it over. All right, let's trot on out of here, buddy. Yeah, the flies are just wicked this morning. They're terrible, I know. Amy! Well, you're a strong boy today. Yes, you are. Nothing like a little cool weather and a young horse. And a full moon. Oh, there's a nice combination. about half a mile here, he'll settle down a little bit. Good boy. Let's see if we can do some. That's a boy. And he's responding to my asking him with little half halts to come across the road. You're about to get shut down big time, son. We've got our first half mile in, and he's not weakening at all. He's still ready to go, so. Well, I know, you want to get out and move. It's cool weather. It feels good out here. 2-year-olds and full moons, and it's a super moon, so. And Dave, my husband, says, this country is bad on full moon. He said, half the time, the only time there are clouds is when there's a full moon. And this morning it was totally cloudy, so we had a ginormous full moon and couldn't see it at all. Maybe by tomorrow we'll be able to see one. Nope, don't go across here. Big old rock sticking up. That's a good boy. Let's try to avoid this rock, huh? Ugh. Well, we found one. See if we can avoid that rock. Good boy. No traffic at the moment. Good boy. Yeah, we're not going the direction you're used to, huh? You want to go in the playground? We can do that if you'll behave yourself. Hang on, Doodlebug. Yeah, it's muddy down there, huh? Give them something to do they love, and they lighten right up. Eee. There you go. That's a happy boy. That's a happy boy. Oh, Buster, I love you. Yeah, bugs. You have bugs.